With the opening of their U.S. Aerospace and Defense headquarters here in El Segundo, today's ribbon-cutting ceremony welcomes Roboze to the city. Roboze manufactures durable, high-performance parts for a variety of industries, including aerospace, defense, and aviation, making El Segundo their perfect base.
We are super excited to be here, and we are very happy to welcome customers, investors, and the entire El Segundo community today.
It's exciting to see all of these engineers and venture capitalists here, all for us, so I feel very proud about this. The city, it's been very nice to me, like everybody's been helping out. It gives you like the vibe of a big city in a way, but of a small town on the other, so it's a very welcoming feeling. Yeah, I'm loving it.
We're happy to have found a new home for our aerospace business. We're excited to see it grow. We're a small office right now with only one 3D printer in the building, as you can see behind me, but it's going to grow.
Roboze today employs already 120 employees globally, but here we plan to hire 10-15 people in the coming month. So basically El Segundo is going to be our aerospace and defense headquarters for US.
El Segundo was the best choice for this forward-thinking company.
El Segundo is the perfect place because people here think about what's gonna be next in drones development, space rockets, aircraft. So the decision was very natural for us. We want to be close where the thinkers are.
This is a community that we sought out. This is the place we wanted to be. We found a great place here. We're not far from the airport, so many of our team members are scattered across the country, so being able to come in, quickly get into the office and meet with customers here is really good for us. And there are so many customers here.
Roboze fits right in with the businesses that surround their new headquarters.
When we saw that our technology was in demand within aerospace and defense, there's few places where you can go and get such a concentration and a good mix. So we've got traditional aerospace companies that have been here for decades, and we've got startups all over the place that are really pushing the technology further, and both are great customer sets people we're working with.
Today, companies use our technology to produce parts for their drones, helicopters, aircraft, missiles, rockets, allowing for on-demand, on-scale manufacturing capability.
We work in a very high-performance space with materials that are able to withstand incredibly high temperatures. These are parts that go on aircraft, they go on naval ships, they go on F1 cars.
After experiencing the ease of working with and in the city, Roboze has confidence they made the right move.
The city welcomed us, in a very warm way. They've been super kind to help us setting up everything, the office, introducing customers, introducing the entire community. They've been so kind. We are very happy to be here.
We knew this was the place we wanted to be from the standpoint of the companies that are here, but we have found even more. We have found, just walking down the street, that we are connecting with people who have a strong need for our technology. And we're also finding that it's a community that's very, very welcoming, very engaging. They want to know what we're doing. They want to know how we can help. And they're happy to share what they're doing and seek ways to collaborate.
Welcome to El Segundo, Roboze. You've picked a great spot to build the future of your company and the industries you support.